Some breaking news in the battle against the Bobcat Fire. Strong winds are fanning the flames tonight and homes are burning.
That has forced new evacuation orders for people who live on both sides of the fire in the Antelope Valley. KCAL 9's Nicole Comstock live in Juniper Hills with the very latest. Nicole, what's happening now?
Well, Juan, we're standing here at 106th Street East and Fort Tejon Road on the road leading into Juniper Hills here, where just about an hour or so ago, flames from the Bobcat Fire were absolutely racing across the desert floor. Just in front of us here, people who were evacuated here from the fire today are waiting at a roadblock with police. Some of them have trucks and trailers behind us with animals in them, just trying to see if they can get any word tonight of whether or not their homes up the road behind us here made it through this fire or not. Now, take a look at the video we shot just a couple of hours ago out here. Unfortunately, we have seen the Bobcat Fire destroy some homes just up the road here. This one collapsing in front of our cameras on a hill near Sima Mesa Road. Just an absolutely heartbreaking sight for us to see out here. But the fire was really picking up out here quickly and spotting along both sides of 106th Street East. However, between the wind dying down later tonight and a bunch of fire retardant drops overhead, we also saw some other homes up here that were directly in the line of fire that were spared. That's also because fire crews were out here using bulldozers to try to make some fire breaks in front of some of those homes. And with just minutes to spare, some of those flames did die down and the homes ended up making it through some very tense moments out here. We also saw some animals being rescued out here today, and firefighters, they're just doing all that they can to protect these properties as the flames approach. And the people who were evacuated both today and last night want them all to be safe. Take a listen.
I saw a couple of firemen coming down with, smoke and all that. It's like, yes, you want everything to be safe, but then again, you feel for them too, I mean,
you want them to walk out.
Yeah, they should walk out. I mean, they should. Life is more important than whatever's up there.
And the Bobcat Fire has now burned over 60,000 acres in the Angeles National Forest. Tonight, it's just at about 15% contained, but again, because the winds keep shifting out here, it's really hard to tell what neighborhoods had properties destroyed and which ones made it out of here safely. So it's definitely going to be a really worrisome night for all of the evacuees and for the fire crews out here trying to do the best that they can to save all of these homes. Reporting live, Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Nicole, thank you.